Mustafa, and today we are at Alferdous for cars to show you the great aspects of the family SUV, the Hyundai Santa. Stay with us.
This is the vehicle smart key. Just keep it in your pocket to lock, unlock, start and stop the engine. Auto-folding side mirrors upon closing and opening. When opening the door, the driver's seat gets all the way back. When closing the door, it slides forward to last seat configuration. Electric steering wheel. Manually tilted and telescoped. Before we continue, we urge you to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and write a comment after you finish watching. An 8-speed automatic transmission. On reverse, a 360 degrees camera appears with guidance lines that turn when turning the steering wheel. On drive, also guidance lines appear and turn. Manual shiftability. Current speed appears on the left of the digital display. When exiting with the key, the car chimes because of losing detection of the key. According to many cars experts, such as US car expert, the 2019 Santa Fe has a great pros, such as comfy interior, multiple engine options, advanced safety tech, easy-to-use infotainment that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The front headlamps are LED, front camera, and this is the front assistant radar. Side mirrors contain cameras and they are heated. The car is 4.77 meters long, 1.89 meters wide, and it weighs about 1.9 tons. The front suspension is MacPherson struts independent with a stabilizer bar. The rear one is multi-link independent with a stabilizer bar. It has an electric tailgate. It has a capacity of 625 liters while the third row seats are folded, and you can use these buttons to fold the second row seats and expand the capacity to 1625 cubic liters. Rear lights are all LED. Sporty double exhaust, chrome accented. Parking sensors and rear view camera. Hit the button to move the seat forward. I'm 1.8 and I can sit in the third row for a short-range trip. I have climate control and vents here. Second row seats are very comfortable to sit in. Here is armrest with cup holders. And here are two USB charging ports. And 220-volt power socket. And the front seat can be controlled from these side buttons to increase the space for the back passenger. The rear seats are 2 stages heated. Manual sunshades. Let's check the engine. The engine is a common rail diesel injection and 16 valves. Four-cylinder 2-liter that produces 150 horsepower and a great amount of 400 Newton meters of torque. Hyundai says the engine can do a distance per liter of 18 kilometers highway and 13 kilometers city. The driver's seat is 12 ways electrically adjusted. Leg extension. Four ways lumbar support. Two memory buttons for driver's seat. The infotainment is very easy to use. Here is the radio and stations presets. All menus. Phone, BlueLink, driving info, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, DMB, Quick Guide, radio. Music, video, current location, Sat Nav, stalled music, quiet mode, voice memos and settings. Here's the favorite menu. Dual zone automatic climate control. Click sync to match the temperature of driver's zone. Three stages heated and ventilated front seats. And one stage heated steering wheel as well. USB auxiliary and 180 watts power outlet. A quick charging port and a wireless charging pad. Two cup holders. Electric handbrake, pull up to activate and push down to deactivate. Cameras and sensors. Driving modes that changes the digital display color. Eco, Sport, Smart, and Comfort. engine auto start stop, armrest with a huge storage and a tray. This button shows different menus. These to scroll between options and hit OK to choose. Trip computer, Sat Nav, lane keep assist, driver's alert, tire pressure, heads-up display and its settings, shows the speed, multimedia, and Sat Nav directions clearly. Here to control its rotation, brightness, and others. Driver assistance, highway accelerating and deaccelerating, driver's attentiveness alert and adjusting its sensitivity, front anti-collision brake assist, lane keep assist and its options. Blind spot monitoring, and here are the rest of controls such as doors, mirrors, lights, sound, maintenance, and others. Active cruise control, and here are voice commands. Multimedia and hands-free phone. Trunk button, traction control, blind spot monitoring and lane keep assist. Sunglasses container, one-touch automatic panoramic glass roof with sunshade. That's it for our in-depth review of the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. Thanks indeed for watching.